Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you these options in Adobe Premiere Pro. So when you come in project panel, so if you right click, so definitely you will find all these options. So what basically all these options are? So definitely we are going to learn this option right now. So the first is new bin. So what basically new bin is? Before we learn new bin, we should learn what basically paste is. For example I have this video, for example, okay, and if I just want a duplicate of this video, so how can I get the duplicate? So what I do, first I will right click on it and then I will click on copy, and then again I will right click. As you can see that now we have a paste option visible, and what I do, I will just simply click on paste, and as you can see that now I have a duplicate. Getting me? So let's suppose if you want to duplicate your video, or if you want to get a copy of that video, so definitely how can you get this? Select, right click, copy, and come here and click on paste, and you will get the copy of your video. Then what do we have next? We have new bin. So what basically new bin is? New bin is nothing, it's just a folder. In easy word we can say folder. For example, if you want a folder, so how can you get the folder? We have two ways to get the folder. The first way is come here, and as you can see they're now showing new bin. Getting me? So if you click, so definitely you will get the bin, or if you right click and if you click on new bin, so definitely you will also get new bin. So getting me? So we have two ways to get folder. The first way is click on it or right click and click on new bin, and you will get the new bin. So for example, if you are let's suppose if you have a project of your friend, of yourself, definitely, so definitely you can manage your work in folders. Getting me? So definitely you know how to put something inside this folder. Just simply click and drag, and that is inside this folder. Okay, getting me? So definitely this is the work of new bin, or easy word we can say new folder. So what is the work of this? Actually the work of this is that, for example, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, or if you want to see more, that, or for example, if, as you can see that now it was too far, and definitely if I cannot see, so that if I have a problem in my eyes, definitely I cannot see. So definitely if I zoom in, so definitely it is visible for me, for example. Okay, so for example, if you want something like this, so definitely you can use this. Okay, so for zoom in or zoom out. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have if I right click, so definitely here we have new search bin. So what basically new search bin in? Definitely it is nothing, it is just like a new bin. But what is the difference between new bin and new search bin? If I double click, and if I take for example this you can say two videos right now I have, and what I do, I will right click and I will click on new search bin, and here is asking the, okay, I will create a folder or bin for you, but what do you want inside of that folder? Getting me? So let's suppose if you want on, so if I say definitely this is definitely the name of this definitely this videos are definitely on, definitely this video has on name, this video also has on name, this is a time place per portion, and this is on time place time place. Okay, so what I do, I will just simply click on OK, and if I double click, as you can see that right now inside this folder I have two we can say videos, and the name of these videos are definitely on. Getting me? So it's asking that what is the means of this new bin. Is asking, okay, I will create a bin for you, but what do you want? Okay, so just type the name of your video, and that will become inside this folder. Okay, or bin. Then what do we have next? We have new item. New item is very useful, but definitely before we learn new item, we should learn that what basically video hidden is. Let's suppose if you have hidden something, for example, if there's, okay, and let's suppose if you say that hide. Okay, for example, if I hide this and I also hide this. Okay, so as you can see that now I'm not able to see. For example, if I want to see again, so what I do, I will just simply click on view hidden, and as you can see that now I have. Getting me? So if you right click, so definitely here we have the option called hide. So let's suppose if you don't want to remove, but if you just want to hide, so definitely you can also hide here. So definitely view hidden will show the hidden you can say folders or anything. Getting me? Videos, anything. Then what do we have next? We have import. Definitely with the help of this we can import any video, audio, anything. Fine, definitely. Let's suppose if you want to find something, for example, if let's suppose right now, for example, if I have let's say 300, or for example 2050, for example, I have documents or videos. Getting me? And let's suppose if I want to find a specific video, so how can I find? Definitely if I scroll down and if I read the name of every video, so it will take time. So what I do, I will just type the name of my video, definitely it will come here. Or if I right click, or if I say find, so definitely I can also find here as well. Now definitely now we are going to learn finally new item. So what basic new item is? Definitely you can also take new item from here as well. Definitely here we also have the option, but definitely we'll go from here. So new item. So what basically first is sequence. So let's suppose if you want to get the sequence. So what best sequence is? Let's see. So if I click on sequence, is asking that okay, is asking the name of your sequence. I say sequence is one is fine. And as you can see, and now I have this sequence nothing. For example, if we talk about any video, so definitely if video is also made of sequence, getting me. So let's suppose if you just want a sequence, so what you need to do, you need to right click and go in new items and you will get the sequence. Then what do we have next? So we have offline. So what basically offline is, let's suppose if I have let's suppose if I import any video, so if I double click and if I take this video, okay, so as you can see that right now I have this video and as you're showing me here, okay. So what if I remove this video, if I delete this video, or if I rename this video, definitely, so what will happen? Let's see. As you can see that now I have this window actually, okay. So definitely in this folder we have pre-position and time pre-position, and from this window I imported this video, okay. So let's suppose if I remove or if I delete this video from this folder, and if I say click and definitely is using, let's suppose if I take another video and for example if I'm using this video, okay, and let's suppose if I remove, or for example if I go again inside of this folder and if I try to remove this, let's see, okay. So you can see that now I have removed or I have deleted that video, okay. So as you can see now it's asking me a question, as I did now it's asking me a question that, okay sir, before you imported this file or this video, but now that video either is not available or you have renamed that video. So kindly tell us what have you done, getting me. So let's suppose if I have deleted, or let's suppose if I've deleted that video, or if I've renamed that video, so definitely I can say offline. So what basically offline is, offline means no more of in easy word, don't delete it but keep it here, okay, keep it here, okay. So basically this is the work of offline, getting me. So definitely here we also have the option called offline file. Let's suppose if you want to create or offline file, definitely you can also create. How? See, if just I will just simply click on offline, and now it's asking setting. If I say okay, and as you can see, and now I have offline file, getting me. So you can also get offline file as well. Then what do we have next? We have adjustment layer. Wow, what a good layer it is. Adjustment layer is very useful. For example, if I come to a timeline, timeline, and let's suppose if I want to apply any effect to this timeline or this video, so if I directly apply, so it will not be good. So what I do, I will take the help of adjustment layer. How? See, so I will go in window and I have effect, where's effects, okay. As you can see that now I have effect panel visible. Now I can see my effect panel. So as you can see that now I have effects, okay. So let's suppose if I want to apply any effect, so if I can also apply here directly, but I will not apply directly. I will not apply here directly. So what I do, I will right click and I will go in new item and I will take the help of adjustment layer. And now it's asking the length and definitely the width and height of my adjustment layer. I say it's fine. And as you can see, then right now I have this adjustment layer. So what I do, I will just simply click and drag this to timeline, and I will zoom out and I will click and drag, select this. First I will take the help of definitely selection tool, or I will just click and drag, and as you can see that now I have this, okay. So nothing is happening, okay, because right now I have adjustment layer. So what I do, definitely right now I have adjustment layer. So you may be confused, say sir, the first you can say when you were teaching us timeline, so you told us that whatever will be at the top it will be show, but right now adjustment layer is the top, means that this layer is after this layer, means first is adjustment layer and second is time definitely in. So why is it showing this layer? Actually it is adjustment, means let's suppose if I want to apply any effect or anything, so definitely if I will apply directly, so it won't be good. So what I do, I will take the help of adjustment layer, okay. So it is transparent. How? See, for example, if I want to apply, if I go in video transitions and let's say if I go in zoom, and let's suppose if I want to apply this effect, so what I do, I will just simply click and drag, not to this but to my you can say adjustment layer. And if I play this, did you see the effect? Okay, Getting me? So definitely, if you want to apply any effect, so if you don't want to apply your effect directly, if you don't want to apply your effect directly to your video, so definitely you can take the help of adjustment layer. Adjustment layer will do nothing if you not apply anything. Yeah, so definitely it will not do anything. But if you apply anything, so definitely you can apply anything or effect to adjustment layer. For example, if I take that this 3D and cube, and let's suppose if I come here and if I click and drag the first, and just see here, okay, and if I play it, did you see that effect? So definitely it became possible due to adjustment layer. Getting me? So definitely if I want to apply any effect, so definitely if I don't want to apply any effect directly to my video, so what I do, I will first apply or definitely on my adjustment layer and whatever, and definitely this is the adjustment layer here. Definitely here we have you can say effect, and definitely this layer will be effective with this adjustment layer. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have title. Let's suppose if I want to do the if I want to work with for example text, so how can I work with text? Let's see. So what I do, I first select the help of this, remove this, and also this. Okay, remove everything. So what I do, I will come here and right click and new item, and this time I will say title. So it's asking the name of your title, so I say my name, title of your name or anything. Okay, fine, that title one is fine. And now now I have all the options of text. Let's suppose if I want to type in text, so I will say here Naveed. Okay, why is Naveed? Okay, so I will take again here and NAVEET, Naveed. Okay, and I will change the writing and say it's fine. As you can see that now I have this Naveed, and what I do, I will just simply click and drag, and I will keep it here. Okay, and cross, and as you can see that now I have this layer. Okay, so what I do, I will double click and I will import and the video, and I will click and drag this video to timeline, and at this time what I do, and I will just simply click and drag this my title, and I will keep it here, and I will change the width of my text, and don't worry about it. Okay, I'm telling you what I'm doing. Okay, so so you can see that now my video has been played, but also the name is also here. Getting me? So let's suppose if you want your name with your video, so how can you get the name with your videos? Definitely you can also get, you can take the help of title. Getting me? So definitely we'll go in the detail of title, because we have the menu for title. So definitely we'll go in the detail of title, means how can we use title, and means there are many useful ways to use title. Okay, so definitely this is the title basically for text. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have bars and tones. So what basically bars and tones is? Let's see. So if I say okay, and if I take selection tool, and if I remove all this, so if I click and drag, and if I change the width, and also fine, and if I click and drag to here, so as you can see that now I have this. Getting me? So let's suppose if you want something like this. Are you getting me? So let's suppose if you want something like this, is it useful? Getting me? So where did it show? For example, if you have a movie, so let's suppose if movie is being started, okay, and let's suppose if you want to, if they want to give indication to some anyone that movie is being started or movie is starting. Getting me? So definitely where we use. Okay, and we can also use this voice as well. For example, if in movie or in TV someone abuse or someone use bad words, so definitely they mute their voice. So definitely we can also get the advantage of this audio as well. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have, if I remove, and if I go and we have black video. Black video is very similar to adjustment layer. Let's suppose if I want to apply any effect, so sometimes some effect doesn't work with adjustment layer, so definitely we can take the help of black video as well. So what basically black video, let's see. So black video, and okay, and if I click and drag, and if I change the width of this, okay, so let's suppose if I have this video. Okay, I have this video, and what I do, I will change, okay, the width. So you can see that now I have this black video. Okay, so let's suppose if I have a video let's suppose if I have this video place. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to apply any effect or anything, so definitely with the help of black video I can also getting me. So black video is very much like adjustment layer, getting me. Then what do we have next? We have captions. Definitely we can also get the captions as well. Not useful. Okay, color material. Definitely if you want the color material, definitely you can also get the color material as well. So what basically color material is just like a colorful layer. Let's suppose if you want the background color, let's suppose if you go in new item and if you say color material and okay, and now is asking what should be the color of your layer or this. So if I say this color, okay, yellow color, something like this. Okay, okay, and okay, and as you can see that right now I have this, getting me. So definitely if you want to get the color, so you can also get the color. How can you get the color? Go in new item and click on color material and give the color. Then what do we have? We have HD bars and toes. So it is very similar to ordinary bars and toes, but the difference that it is HD, high definition. Okay, and if I remove, I go again, and universal counting later definitely is very useful. Okay, and okay, and what basically this is I will show you now. Just simply click and drag it here and just play it. 1 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, boom, getting me. So definitely if you want to get counting like this, so definitely you can use this. And last, what do we have? We have transparent video. So definitely transparent video is very much like a transparent layer, or definitely transparent layer, getting me. Also the adjustment layer, getting me. So so this was a lecture on all these options of project panel. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.